Good evening, friends. Uh, how many of you all went through the analysis video and planned your day? I said it is gonna be grinding, and if market opens gap up, it will be very difficult to trade. My other comment also was do not short Nifty. Nifty is looking strong. Bank Nifty is weak, and financial Nifty service is weaker than Bank Nifty and Nifty, so you can take a trade there, right? Uh, as we predicted, market played. Given market had opened gap up, I said if it is not crossing 44 200, and I said 44 200 as a level, right? 150 to 200 as a level. If it is not crossing, I will not be looking at going long, and below this only I will be going looking at going short. But if it's a gap up, I will take a trade for the targets of 43,950. Market played precisely the way we wanted it to, right? Given it's played precisely the way we wanted to, I did make profit. It was a difficult day, but I kept posting the trades. I said Fin Nifty is weak. Take trades. Do not wait for big targets. So we had given SLs of 6 and 8 points. SLs as in our personal group, we had recommended people to enter a trade with 6 or 8 points SL, and most of the time we took 1:1, 1:2 in a trade. We got couple of entries where we made super money, as in it gave 30 points against a risk of 8. Again, right now it's not about making big profits, it's about saving your capital, right? Now why do I say so? Look at this entire candle. For the major portion of the day, it has traded within the 129 to 80 points, right? The throughout the day it has traded within 80 points. Last 15 minutes it has actually broken down, and there also it has broken down by another 60-70 points, right? That is not a big movement. You cannot make your entries here, right? Basis this thing. If you are in green, if you are in profit, if you have been able to save your capital, you have won half the battle, right? That is how I look at such days. So looking at this, right? mm, Daily chart is still clueless, right? Tomorrow probably market can show 43,800 once and then go up, right? So if there's a gap down opening, I will again play for the long. If there's a big gap down opening, I will wait for a retest of 43,680, 670 and then take another shot, right? But otherwise, if it opens in the same range, I am not interested. Now interestingly, if market opens between 43,850 and 950, right? So I'll quickly get into the 15-minute chart, right? So if market opens somewhere between 850 and 910, right? This level consolidates and then gives a breakout, I will take a trade for the targets of 44,034. Downside, I am waiting, right, to take a trade, preferably below 43,650. Upside, again, a flat opening tomorrow will be preferred, or a small gap down will be preferred. A gap up opening, right, will again be sold out, right? A gap up opening, I want somewhere around 44,137, come down, dip, creates a bullish candle around 44,050 and then takes off, right? I'll take trade for the targets of 44,150 and 200, right? But gap up opening is not a preferred one for me, right now, because all the gap ups are getting sold off, right? Now interestingly here, if you see, right, market also has a trend line which is approaching, right? So if it breaks this tomorrow in the morning, solid body retest, then again take a trade for 43,722. Quantity very less right now, no big quantities, right, in bank nifty. So spot chart is very clear, it will give you both side trades, it will be volatile. Tomorrow is Wednesday, we'll plan trade and take accordingly. Component chart, interestingly, HDFC, ICICI are weak, Kotak is showing weakness. This big move which came in 21st August, right, is getting neutralized, but this is till it breaks 1750, not interested to go aggressively short on Kotak. Axis bullish, ICICI bearish, HDFC bearish, SBI bearish, IndusInd neutral, right? So it's clearly reflecting, right? The market could actually tumble if Axis also joins the show along with Kotak and HDFC, as in Axis and Kotak join the show with HDFC and ICICI. Now in terms of put option, right? Look at it this way, market is trading at 44,000. Your put 44 200, which is 200 points away, only has 50 rupee premium, right? It has precisely 44 rupee premium. Your 43 800 call, which should be trading at 195, has a premium of roughly 110 points. So call side the premiums are more. So option chart is telling that probably tomorrow, if market opens flat to slight gap up, somewhere if this put 44,200, right, opens between 226 to 239, consolidates and takes out, you are in for 270 and 293. Call side movement will be difficult. Call side I have a trend line, right? I have a trend line, but I will have to take trade cautiously. So now if you see, right, the spot chart, component chart and option chart are, component chart and spot chart is as in aligned. Component and option chart, spot chart is giving mixed signals, right? CE side, actually, if this CE, this particular CE of 43 800 opens between 271 and 301, right, and consolidates in the second half around 11:30, if it takes out 320, you could see 360 and 402, right? um that's it on bank nifty, friends. Be cautious. I'm personally seeing another day where it will be a lot of fight. Now we come to nifty. Nifty again was in a very narrow range, totally 60 points, right? You can't take a trade. I said avoid, 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 right? Tomorrow will be the same. But for nifty, interestingly, if it breaks down 18308, now the targets are big, right? Upside, again there is a trend line, it is resisting this trend line, right? So yeah, wait, as in if it breaks out 450, you could see the targets of 19600. So nifty looks a candidate which can, if it gives a breakout or breakdown, will give a big movement. Bank nifty is stuck in a range. Fin nifty is worse than bank nifty, it's weaker than bank nifty, but still in a range, right? So now what is driving nifty 50? Now if you look at the component, right, FMCG is actually providing support. Nifty IT has done some profit booking, but I won't consider that as a sign of alarm, right? Nifty, I personally feel tomorrow again will be range bound only, right, guys? This expiry is going to be range bound. Do not expect massive movement. Again, the event which is there, let it play out, and then we'll get a clear cut understanding. It's nifty, no trades, right? Let's look at Reliance and Infi. Reliance after yesterday's selling has taken a support, but about 2540, if it goes right, it can go all the way up to 2600 again in the coming days. Infi again can tomorrow, right? Nifty actually could, if you have a flat opening and takes out the trend line range, trend line levels, right, you could see 19450, 19480 tomorrow in nifty, right? So nifty chart is saying bullishness, bank nifty is showing bearishness, component chart is showing bearishness, and as in bank nifty chart is showing both movements, but component and premium chart is showing bearishness. Be cautious. I feel market will tomorrow again be a tough one to trade. So if 2 days you have made money, right, sit back and relax. We will try to post something on the chart front, right? So that's it, friends. That's it from us, from on behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute. Again, thank you to all the subscribers who have been there. If you are liking the quality of our analysis, please share our video, our Telegram channel with your friends and family members so that they can join us, learn with us, right? I would say stay cautious tomorrow rather than going aggressive. It has been tough couple of weeks for everyone, right? Starting April 1, the movement has been very, very difficult to get, right? So last 22 to 23 days have been difficult. Don't overextend, don't over leverage, don't go beyond what you can digest as a risk. Thank you, friends. I hope everyone has a profitable Wednesday.